Hey everyone, so today I wanted to show you a couple of quick tips for working with a story view so that you can more easily identify where you want to go within your storyline file. So the first one that I wanted to show you, so as you can see here, we've got 8 scenes and a whole bunch of slides. It's quite a bit, so if you just want to see all of the scenes individually, or be able to more easily navigate those within Storyline, all you have to do is right click the arrow in the corner beside the scene number, and you're going to collapse all scenes. Great. And then, if you want to have a better bird's eye view of all of your scenes, go down to the lower right side and see this Fit Project Current window. Click that button and it's going to zoom you out a little bit more so that you can more easily navigate. So instead of having a scroll bar that's going down for days, you've got a more manageable scroll bar and you can more easily see all of the scenes in your project.